How did we end up with the unplanned trip to Hong Kong? Let's go back to August.
Hello camera, it's me again. So they have a new tour. It's called New. Then they dropped this Hong Kong date. Actually, we weren't planning to go Hong Kong because me and my friend were trying to go to Singapore. We planned it ages ago. When they started dropping tours, my friend was like, we should go to Singapore, we should go to Singapore. And I just said, okay. So me and my friend was like, maybe we should just go to Hong Kong. Because it's really timing. Because where she works is so hard to get days off, like annual leaves off. But then she was forced to take an annual leave for a week on that specific week where 17 is in Hong Kong. So I was like, you know, you want to try it? Maybe we should buy it. At first we were like, if we get our desired seats, we should push through. Our desired seats would be the VIP soundcheck, of course. But then we were like, okay, until like B reserved, so that's like second level. Because plane tickets is no joke. If you live in Australia, you know, like everywhere you go, it costs like $1,000 at least return. But yeah, this is me manifesting our 17 VIP soundcheck tickets for Hong Kong day 1 and day 2. I believe in Song Kwan. I saved so much of that good luck charm thingy. I retweeted all the thing. I believe in everything now because I'm so desperate to get tickets. But yeah, ticket selling starts 2 weeks from now, which is Tuesday 26th. That's the Carrot membership pre-sale. I hope we get the tickets on that day already. If I don't succeed on the first day, I can try again on a Thursday. Song Kwan, I believe in you, bestie. I'm manifesting my 17 VIP tickets. It's Phoebe of August 26, 2025. Today is the ticket selling. I hope for a VIP soundcheck because they're limited to 2 tickets per day per account, so there's more chances of winning because people might hoard it if they can buy up to like 4 or 6. Try my luck. I hope my next clips will be me celebrating my success. Like 4 minutes. Please, 2 minutes. Song Kwan, please. Secure ako! Naka-secure ako! Nanginginig ako! Hayo, paano mag-share screen? I tried to film earlier when I was like on my last try. I did 3 tries. The last try was like 1 more try, then I'll go home because my friend said she wanna give up because she wanna sleep. I keep spamming my phone because it's easier. You just tap. And then the screen suddenly turned white. It's allowing me to pay. I wasn't thinking straight because I thought I had to sign something to prove that I want to buy it. Then it all went back to like the payment thing, so I had to put the details again. I thought, shit, oh my god, I probably won't have enough time. And then I got my tickets. In conclusion, I'm going Hong Kong to see 17. Excuse my haggard face because I was in queue for 2 hours. But yeah, I already booked my tickets to Hong Kong too. I'll tell my dad probably once I got my passport. I should have it this week, so see you in Hong Kong! I-unbox ko ng aking giant photo card.
Hindi ito.
Ay, yung maliit. Grabe.
Pag nakita mo kay Lily.
Si June!
Kuya, alam mo ba, una na sold out na ticket. Esco? June din. Oo. Ang pogi sila talaga may pinaka-poging ticket. Fernanda.
Ay, si DK. Parang nagugustuhan ko na talaga siya. Real na real.
Kuya, sabi.
Bakit wala? Ay, sasabihin ko sana, bakit wala si Vernon? Si Vernon hindi kalbo.
Nakalilig na hindi ka kumain.
Ay, kasi lagi mo ko sinasabihan. Ikaw, kilala kita, hindi ka umaalis ng bahay no, pag hindi ka kumakain. Tcharam! Luggage set up si Wondongi. At ang kanyang si Hoshi. Ano masasabi mo sa iyong luggage cover?
Ano? Kinikilig ako. Miss ko na siya. Muntik na ako maiyak nung inabot niya sa akin.
Nagtatalon-talon pa ako sa Glenfield kasi excited talaga ako ibigay sa'yo yan. Wow. Sino ba talagang bias mo? May Jongtaram, may Hoshi, mayroon pa ditong Chol. Ano pa? Sino pa?
Si Minky nasa
tapos si Jun nasa puso niya lang. Ng food.
ayun na may Papa Rich. Nakabili ng isang tart.
Uy, ang dami natin kakainin tart sa Hong Kong. Kakain ka pa dito?
Nag-crave ako sa tart.
What's up? Nasa boarding gate kami. Kaantay ng boarding. 9:30 pa pero 8:49 pa lang. Kamusta ang pagiging big girl mo?
Marangi. Just on the right door.
Thank you. Oh my God! Uy, si Pikachu! Oh my God! In the big girl street! Oh my God! Ito na. Last row, binook namin para walang malikot sa likod. Ang ganda ng movie selection nila. Si Elsa! Kapapanood. Kalhatian na tayo. Wow. Clear skies.
Sa ngayon.
Manto, hindi ko alam. Nandito na kami. Island na siya. Feel ko ano to? Davao. Take na tayo
Ajunay.
after almost 10 hours.
Ajunay.
Saan? Per immigration. Sino nag-check-in nyo?
Ay, hindi nawala yung black dito.
Ito na mga maleto. Si Wono at si Hoshi. Nakangiti pa si Hoshi, hindi pa siya malungkot. Naging gusgusin na si Hoshi. Lalabas na kami, guys.
70.
Wow, eh. Oh my God! Akala ko ba nagmamadali tayo?
Ito na naman tayo sa tumakbo.
Nadidistract kasi ako. Oh my gosh.
Gasoline house. Enjoy.
Life update namin ay naghihingalo na kami sa init. Nagre-reflect yung mga upo. Bora. Saan natin kakainin yan ngayong tinake away natin?
Sa hotel yung bagsak na.
Mamaya pa natin makakain. Uwi na ba tayo? Masaya na siya, guys. Okay, pwede na akong kumain, guys. Masaya na yung kaibigan ko, kaya makakakain na kang masaya. Para siyang batang napagbigyan. Diyos ko, Lord. 9 hours. 9 hours sa plane. 1 hour papunta dito sa bus. Tapos, delayed pa. Oh my gosh. Crispy-licious, juicy-licious. Uy, ano, natutulala ka na sa sarap. Bida na ulit ang saya.
Dito. Sa bench na to.
Bakit puro kutsara yung gamit ko? Kaya pala hindi ko matusok. Sorry, gutom na ako eh. Guys, madaming, pag gusto nyo ng spaghetti na madaming hotdog, sa Hong Kong kayo kumain.
Sa ating kasi parang tatlo.
Sarap sa nasang Jollibee sa Philippines. Tikman mo. Masarap.
Wala lang sila ng burgers.
Yan na po siya, mga kababayan. Buti na lang nakahanap tayo ng bukas. Masaya pa rin ang day 1 mo. Mamaya na ako kuha ng tubig kasi mabigat.
Strawberry milk. Masarap kaya?
Siguro.
Tikman na.
Missing someone